In our video Why is Kaaba Empty, we talked about how sorry and upset we are because the Kaaba is empty, because we are not used to Kaaba being empty like that. And then Allah showed us that Kaaba is not abandoned. He heard our saddened voice and answered our prayers, and we understood once again that He hears even the most silent prayers. And we understood that even if we can't enter Kaaba, His armies are rich. He sent His Ababeel army again. Even when the elephant army of Abraha couldn't harm Kaaba, now which sins are stopping the Ababeel birds from helping us?